Hello and welcome guys, my name is Junaid Iqbal. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change password of your Google account. Let's jump into the video. Hello guys, I am here on my phone screen. For changing the Google account's password, click on the Gmail application. Here you have to click on the profile image on the top right corner. Then click on the Google account. Here you have to click on the security tab. Scroll down and click on the password. Here you have to enter your old password. I am adding mine. After adding old password, click on the next. Here you have to add your new password and confirm it. I am adding new password. After adding new password and confirming it, click on the change password and click on change password. Your password has been changed. If this video helped you, please click on the like button. If you have any problem, comment down. I will help you to solve the problem. This is me, Junaid Iqbal, signing out.